Perched atop a spectacular hill in Lebanon's Batroun region, Skyhaven is a house envisioned as a balcony immersed in nature, overlooking a lush green valley and the Mediterranean Sea. In response to the topography and context, the house follows the contours of the land with an arc-shaped form that embraces the full breadth of the landscape. Programmatically, the design by BLANKPAGE architects consists of two homes within a single volume, one for the resident and another for his parents. To minimize excavation and retaining walls on such a steep site, the house is composed of two levels that project from the cliff through concrete corbels. An arrival platform with an infinity pool above and a garage below mediates the connection between the access road and the main house via a ramp. The pool deck also connects, through a footbridge, to the roof of the residence, which serves as an additional open-air lounge. The common entrance to both homes is a semi-open outdoor space that also functions as a multi-purpose area, ideal for spontaneous family gatherings. On the upper level are the living areas and open kitchens, fully glazed to enjoy unobstructed views. By sliding the aluminum panels, the indoor spaces open entirely to the outside, enhancing the sensation of living on a balcony. The lower, more solid disc contains the bedrooms of both houses, separated yet connected by a meditation room inspired by Japanese architecture, featuring a raised wooden platform surrounded by greenery on three sides. The base of the residence is built with an inner fair-faced concrete shell and an outer corrugated concrete layer, which gives it a mineral texture and serves as a backdrop for rosemary plants growing between the two layers. The upper level combines steel and concrete structure, with a wing-profiled roof clad in white composite aluminum panels. A semi-buried office pavilion is inserted underneath the largest terrace with a green roof and a retractable skylight. On the other side, it ripples upwards organically, first with terraces delineated by corten steel that become agricultural terraces with stone retaining walls. The landscape master plan is informed by both the geometry of the house and the topography of the site. Towards the valley, it radiates out of the villa, forming lawn terraces of varying width, which slowly disappear into the prairie-like vegetation.